Today we are performing practical number 9. Test the performance of PCM, which is pulse code modulator and demodulator circuit. Pulse code modulation is the method used to digitally represent the sampled analog signal. It is the standard form for digital audio in computers and various Blu-ray, compact disc and DVD formats. This practical is designed to explain how different types of information signal which are on analog in nature can be converted into digital form. Here we have the diagram of PCM sine wave input and PCM output and block diagram of PCM system. The number of blocks consist of first one is analog major message signal, then low pass filter, sampler, then quantizer, encoder, then PCM output given to the channel, regenerative repeater, then regenerative repeater going to the channel output, then regenerative circuit, regeneration circuit, decoder, reconstruction filter and destination. Also here we can see the simple block diagram for PCM transmitter and PCM receiver. Here first block is sampling, then quantizing and then encoding. Then we get the PCM signal. First we give the analog signal to the sampling circuit, then that signal is given to the quantizing unit, then that signal is encoding into digital data. Second diagram is PCM receiver. That digital data given to the decoder circuit, then it passed to the low pass filter and then output will be the analog signal which is decoded. Let's see what are the instruments we are required for this practical. Dual trace cathode ray oscilloscope, or we can use the digital storage oscilloscope. If we use the dual trace CRO, then we can use 20 Hz dual trace oscilloscope or 25 Hz dual trace digital storage oscilloscope or 30 MHz CRO. ठीक है. Then one power supply which is 0 to 30 volt or 0 to 2 milliampere. PCM trainer kit, then connecting wires. These are the resources required for this practical. Let's see the working of PCM on kit. In second and third practical, we already discuss about the sampling technique. In that method, we are observing the PCM sampling system. We are already discuss about the block diagram of PCM system. Let's see the circuit. Here is the circuit of pulse code modulation and demodulation. In this circuit, first we have clock generation block, then time sign control unit, then signal generator, then variable frequency we can generate from here, signal generator, then variable DC output point, two knobs are given for vary it, then analog input signal given to the analog to digital converter, then parallel to serial converter block there, then serial to parallel converter block there, then buffer is there, then LEDs are given for digital data, digital to analog converter block is there, and then low pass filter, and we get the output. Let's do the connection for this kit. Plus first we can on the supply of the kit, then we can see the analog input signal on DSO. Observe the frequency and voltage, input frequency and voltage, then DC input voltage on the multimeter, which is which is 5 volt. We can set that voltage, DC voltage, at 5 volt. Then observe the clock signal and their frequency approximately, which is 2 kilohertz. DSO giving the frequency and the voltage on the screen. Then let's do the connection. Generated clock signal given to the timing and control unit, then DC input signal is given to the sample frequency signal, then we get the sampled output. This is a sample signal, then analog signal given to the analog to digital converter. LSB and MSB are given there for LED showing the signal on the screen. Then we get the modulated signal, we can see on the DSO. Also on the LED can display the digital form. Then we can see two waves, one is sampled wave for channel 1 and then converted signal serial data we can see on the DSO. Then we can check the digital to analog converter signal. This green signal is digital to analog converted signal. In demodulator section, we can see the digital to analog converted signal, and then we can check after the low pass filter block. We can get the demodulated signal. This is green waves showing the demodulated signal, and yellow wave is the input analog input signal. We can check the DC output voltage also on the multimeter. In this way we can completed the pulse code modulated practical.